So this is how to connect two Bose Bluetooth speakers together in party mode or stereo mode without the app. So the first what you have to do is connect one of them to your PC or Mac, and then as you can see here, is connected and the other one is not on. You have to press to power on the other one and then let it stay, and then on the first one you have to press together the plus and Bluetooth button.
Drücken Sie auf einem zweiten Bose-Gerät gleichzeitig die Tasten Bluetooth und Lautstärke verringern.
So on the other one you have to push the Bluetooth button with the minus button.
Partymodus.
Yet, so it is set in party modus, but you can change this by pressing on, I don't know if this works on the first one, but if you press on the second one the Bluetooth and plus button.
Stereomodus. Nach links, nach rechts.
So now are we in stereo mode on the Mac. I can show you some non-copyrighted.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down.
So this is it, how to connect without the Bose Connect app your Bose Bluetooth speakers.